In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply an overpayment to an invoice in Xero. This process will help you manage your finances more effectively by ensuring that any excess payments from your clients are properly allocated, a crucial step in maintaining accurate records. Let's start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Visiting the homepage, you will see a login option. Go ahead and click on it. Once the login screen appears, enter your email and password associated with your Xero account, then click the login button to access the dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center where you can access numerous features Xero offers. For today, our focus is on handling bank accounts and overpayments. Now, on the dashboard, you need to locate and click on Accounting. Doing so will present you with a variety of sub-options related to your financial records. Here, you want to select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the section where all your bank activities are recorded, giving you a comprehensive overview of incoming and outgoing transactions. You should see a button labeled Reconcile 28 Items, or something similar depending on your pending reconciliations. Click on this to view the transactions that need your attention. Look for the specific customer for whom the overpayment has been made. Once you've identified this transaction, proceed by choosing Find and Match. This option allows you to search for the corresponding invoice or any outstanding amount that the overpayment could cover. Next, you'll need to select the match for the transaction you're dealing with. If there isn't a direct match available, you can create a new entry, click on New Transaction, and then Receive Money. At this point, it's important to change the payment status to Overpayment. This categorization tells the system how to handle the excess funds effectively. Take a moment to copy the reference number from the original invoice that corresponds to this payment. This will help you track the overpayment against the right invoice and ensure you're crediting the correct accounts. Enter this reference number in the field provided and add a short description to summarize the transaction. A clear description can be very useful for future reference or for other team members who may review these transactions later. Finally, click on Save Transaction to record the overpayment. Once everything is set up, the last step is to click Reconcile. This action finalizes the process and applies the overpayment where needed. And there you have it, you've successfully applied an overpayment to an invoice in Xero. Remember, keeping track of overpayments is important not only for accurate bookkeeping, but also for maintaining transparent client relationships. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. See you next time.